So, good morning, everyone, and welcome back to your online class. And how have you been this morning, everyone? For today section, you will move to page 106. Okay, that we are going to study about the comparison paragraph. Before moving to our lesson today, teacher would like you to review some the vocabulary that you have learned yesterday, everyone, about the word country, enjoy, reasons, gathering, celebration, distance, and wants. Right. So again, everyone, to harvest mean to gather, a crop. Okay. Length mean the the what the distance or the times from the beginning to the end, and yearly mean once a year. And number four, purpose mean a reasons. Okay. To celebrate mean to enjoy a special times or day, and national mean a nation of country, and festival mean the celebrations. Okay, and some other word you have learned like the word free, control, independent, for, confire, bonfire, and age. So being the independent is opposite with dependent. So independent when they have when one country have the colony with under the another colony from other country, when they have their own right. Okay, they have you know um, their right to make the decision for the country, and then they receive all the right from the other. They will receive the independent. Okay, the bonfires and age. Okay, so moving that to our lesson today, teacher would like you to review again about the format of the paragraph, everyone. So you have learned last time about narrative paragraph, and now you have learned about the comparison paragraph, right? Even you have learned so far, but teacher still would like you to review again about the type of the paragraph format that you have to focus on. Yeah, first of all, this about the title, and the title can be about the introduction to the to the paragraph, and the topic sentence and the supporting sentence we can conclude it as the body, and the last one conclusions. Okay, so the topic sentence mean we use it to show that the paragraph is going to write about, and this topic sentence also tell that how the paragraph look like. Can be comparison, narrative, descriptive. Okay, and the supporting sentence you can give it more than 3 or 4. Okay, and give more supporting detail about the topic sentence. Here you also include video example, and you will be able to use a lot of like signal word. Can be like transitional word, example like first, second, third. If you are talking about the process, when you are talking about the comparison paragraph, you can use like word in contrast. On the other hand, also to show the similarity. Okay, likewise a lot. And the last one, the conclusion, mean you try to brief the whole paragraph means, and it makes the reader easier to read, right? So this is the sample of the paragraph. So let's check our lesson today, everyone, about the comparison paragraph, harvest, celebration around the world. So last, we have talked about in American Giving Day, Chinese, moon. Okay, and another one in Korea we call Chuseok, right? And many countries have a yearly event known as the Harvest Festival. 3 countries are celebrated the harvest. Okay, are Korea, the United States, and China. All 3 countries celebrate the 4 harvests, but the 3 holidays are different in age and length. The oldest of the 3 is the Chinese Moon Festival. It is more than 3,000 years old. American Thanksgiving is the youngest. It is less than 500 years old. Both Thanksgiving and Moon Festival are the shortest. Okay, they are only 1 day long. The longest of the three is Korean Chuseok. Mm, it is a 3 days national holidays. The harvest celebration in Korea, China, and United States are different from each other in their history and length. They all, however, have the same purpose: to give everyone a chance to have a good times. So we can elaborate it to which part that we call the introduction to the topic harvest celebration around the world, and which part of the writing here that we can consider as the body, and the last one the conclusion. So as you can see here, from the word like many countries until age and length. So from here, this is about the introduction. Because of the just informed about the three countries with the culture of four harvest, okay, and what are you going to predict? They just leave you another sentence that you are going to see in the body, paragraph. You see like three holidays are different in ages and length. So what are you going to know about the different ages and length, right? So the body they have described about between the age. So in which festival that was born first, okay, like Chinese Moon Festival, it 3,000 years old, and the American Thanksgiving just only 500 years old, and the longest one about the celebration. Okay, this is about the length. So both Thanksgiving and Moon Festival, only 1 day, and whereas Korean chose about 3 days national holiday. So in the whole body paragraph, they refer to only two idea here, like ages and length. So the conclusions is that start from like you see here, like the harvest celebration. Okay, in Korea, China, and the United States are different from each other in their history and length. They all, however, have the same purpose. So the purpose just to give everyone a chance to have a good times. So this is the conclusion of the paragraph. Okay, so now we move to another slide, everyone. You see here, like answer the question, like what is the title, what is the topic sentence, what are the differences. So take some time to read this one again and answer the question. Okay, so the title just harvest celebration around the world, and number two, what is the topic sentence. So here we have the topic sentence is about all three countries celebrate the four harvest, but the three holidays are different in ages and length. So they celebrate the four harvests in order to give a chance for people to have the good times. Okay, but the three holidays are different in ages and length. So this is the purpose, or this is the topic sentence that you are going to see in the body paragraph. So let's see what are the differences. Okay, we have three differences. So the first one is the oldest, the Chinese Moon Festival. They're different from Thanksgiving, and American Thanksgiving the youngest, we just compare, and the longest Korean Chuseok. So here they just want you to see that they just between the two ages are different, and the length that the Chuseok in Korea, it takes 3 days holidays. So this is the three differences in this paragraph. Okay, so everyone, now it come to the end of your lesson today, and see you again in the second section. Goodbye.